Hello, today in front of me I have REALME C30 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. First of all, you want to launch the Settings app. In here, open the Network and Internet category, and as you can see at the top part of the page you'll find the designated section for each of the SIM cards you have installed. So in order for you to be able to switch the SIM card preferences, simply open, any of them. And at the SIM card page, you'll see the calls preferences section, which you can choose, the SMS preferences section, as well as the mobile data. So if I'll go to the second SIM card, or SIM card number 2, and enable the mobile data, I will switch the SIM card preferences for it as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.